What's up, guys? I wanted to jump on real quick. Have you ever just had a moment where you were deeply inspired, where you felt like you had to get something off your chest? Well, this is one of those moments for me. So today's transmission is, it's easier to run. You know, I was doing some research on relationship stuff and looking at the divorce rate and why it's so high and how easy it is to project onto our ex-partners, how easy it is to say she was toxic or he was toxic or it was all his fault. It's easier to do that than it is to take ownership of oneself and look at and love on the toxic parts of our own selves. Because what we tend to do is, and that's what a projector does. A projector takes what's over here and puts it over there. And a lot of us tend to want our partners, our family, those who we do business with, to take responsibility for stuff that is actually truly our stuff. It's easier to run. The real warriors, the real people who I deeply respect are those who stay in it, who keep moving in when their ego and their entire being says run and go the other way and blame. You're a victim. To him, to her, to whatever you're using at that point to make you the victim and them the villain. Right? There's something called the drama triangle where there's the villain, the victim, and the hero. And a lot of times we paint ourselves as the hero and as the victim, and the person or persons as the villains, right? It's not me, it's my family. It's not me, it's my wife. It's not me, it's my husband. It's not me, it's my business partner. He was toxic, they were toxic. And so what we do is we leave them and run to the next one. And no matter where you go, there you are. And so what tends to happen is we end up attracting the same scenarios because we haven't healed it within our own selves. And so the healing comes from loving those parts of ourselves, from catching when we are projecting onto our partners that which is truly happening within. Right? If we really tap into and I think it was Osho who said this, as above, so below. As within, so without. So what's happening within gets projected without. But the ego mind, the narcissist mind, would say it's out there, it's them, it's all them. I need them to be different in order for me to be full, happy, expressed, free, wise, whatever the case may be, fill in the blank. That's the game. We're trying to get them to do something. So your work is to ask yourself, where am I not been willing to go in my relationship? Your work is to sit in the question. What part of myself would I need to access without them needing to be different to experience the joy, magic, freedom, love, harmony, whatever you're seeking in that moment? What part of me do I need to access? A lot of us play the have, do, be game. Well, when I have, the security from that person, then I'll do the stuff. And then I'll be good enough, smart enough, pretty enough. Or we play the do, have, be game, where we do a bunch of stuff so we can have, and then we be. But, the game is be, do, have. What part of my being do I need to tap into before I do something? And therefore, we can only have that which we are, right? I can't experience that which I am not. So the moment you are being something, you've already vibrationally put yourself into that position. Let it land. Blessings and blessings, guys, from the beautiful Santa Monica, California. I am, we are, hashtag Love's Voice is going down in a beautiful major way. Live love, give love, be love.